was actually introduced to me through a podcast episode that I was on with Liz, and I will, tag her down below, so give her the thumbs up. I've seen these before. She called it something specific? I don't know, but essentially it's just a progress tracker for the day. Some people work well with having software that they use it. I mean, this is kind of nice for me visually because I'm not always on the computer clicking the check boxes. Sarah would have a meltdown. But sticky notes and physical things work really, really well for me. So instead of creating a sticky note for every single thing, I created a sticky note that represents a piece down here. So you'll see right now we're filming content. Film content number 2. Content number 2 is remote working tips. Already filmed content 1, we're done with that. That was a podcast episode that I was on, that I have all this other stuff that is then talked about down here that I have to get done for the day. So happy little tip. Another tip is always have big puppies on the floor tripping you when you're walking around your tiny office. Okay, tip number 2. Always have a Biggie Smalls quote on your wall. Because if you're not winning at Biggie Smalls quotes on your office wall, then I don't know what you're really winning at in general. Tip number 3. One of the things that I really, really love that I started doing a couple years ago is the Living Your Best Year Ever journal. It basically takes your yearly goals, breaks them down to quarterly, monthly, and daily, even weekly initiatives. But it creates a habit-forming rhythm register so you become the person you need to become in order to achieve all of that epicness, right? So what I did is I bought a recipe holder and I put it on there so that I literally every single day have to see the list of things that I'm supposed to do to be awesome. And so for me, obviously I have business stuff I need to check off the list, but health and wellness is a major player for me because I had some anxiety issues before in the past. So for me, it's things like meditate, drink water, take your supplements, the things that should just be easy to do, but are not.